So I ended that last video incorrectly. I plugged in my t equals 3 and said this was 10, but really that should have been 28. So t equals 3 is valid because I do get 28 for both. Sorry. All right, let's look at this one. So now we've got a graph illustrating our velocity function. So I'm going to go ahead and label this v sub t. And we would assume this is our t in seconds. We've got an object moving in a straight line, so its velocity is increasing, constant, decreasing, increasing. So determining how far it travels from 1 to 4, so how far it travels, that sounds like my total distance. So from t equals 1, 2, 3, 4, I should have a scale on here, but I don't. So I'm just going to assume that we're counting by ones. So from t equals 1 to 4, that's going to be, my total distance is going to be the integral from, I could say the absolute value of my velocity function, but I can see that it's always positive here, so I don't need that. So I'm integrating from 1 to 4. Well, integrating is finding the area under the curve. So I could take this and divide it up into areas that I can see easily. So this area is going to be 2 by 4. So this has a total area of 8. This area here is going to be 1 by 2. That's 2. And a half of 1 by 2 is 1. So then my total area is 11 meters. All right. How far it travels from 1 to 6? Well, 1 to 6 is going to be, now I'm going to add in this area here. So half of 4 times 2 is 4. So my integral from 1 to 6, again, it's all positive. So I'm going to add in another 4. I'll get 15 meters. And now from 1 to 11, well, this area would be negative, but I'm not subtracting it out because I want my total distance. So I'm going to break this up to go from 1 to 6. And then I'm going to add in my integral. So I'm going to make it positive from, this was 6. So that'll be from 6 to 8. And then I'm going to add in the area from 8 to 11. So 8, 9, 10, 11. That's going to be this triangle here. That's 3 by 6 is 18, so half of that is 9. This area here, I've got a height of 2, I've got a base of 2, that's got an area of 1. So my area here, all right, so I've got 15 plus 1 plus 9 is 25 meters in total. So even though my object may be going back and forth, I'm looking for total distance traveled, so I always want the positives.